Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Special 4th of July project here. Customer sent me this. This is a 1947 Coleman 500 stove. This has been in their family since it was new. They used it on hunting trips, camping trips, that sort of thing. The gentleman that sent it to me said his grandfather bought it after he returned home from the war. So we're going to see if we can breathe a little bit of life into this guy. Hang tight. Alright, this stove came apart, quite possibly the best that I've ever had one come apart. It's not often they come apart that easy. So, now to start with the business here. Got one of my personal stoves from my collection. Got a pot with water, citric acid in there. Gonna try this trick. A lot of Coleman guys swear by it. See if I can't clean up and save the finish on this original band. Okay, so got all the parts, everything is all stripped down. We tried polishing the fount. Unfortunately, what the customer thought was green paint was actually very severe nickel oxidization, corrosion. The nickel finish is pretty much trashed and gone. Alright, we got our pieces and parts gathered up. The customers agreed. There's only one thing to do now. We need good plate work. Gotta get all the stuff nickel plated, and for that, we're going to Detroit. Alright, so after about 2.5 hour drive from the west side of the state, we're here. Let's see about getting this thing into the shop and hopefully have it back in a month or so. So here's Jim's shop. This is Dynamic Metal Finish here in Detroit, 5999 Bewick Avenue. Jim does great work. It's Detroit. It's probably about what you'd expect. Some blight. Got some trash sitting down on the curb there that somebody just casually abandoned. Not a whole lot else left on this block but his shop, but he does great work and he's pretty reasonable, so this is where I like to take my stuff. 4th of July video. It's now October. It's the way these things happen sometimes. Plating took a little bit longer than expected, but hey, we're pretty happy with the results. We hope the customer is too. We're on the way to the UPS store to ship the stove back to them in California, hopefully in time for a late season quail hunting trip. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate everything you do for us, and we hope to see you again in the shop real soon. Have a great day.